Okay, it's two-a-days basketball. You betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the gym every day for the game that you love to play. Basketball, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and hit that little button to let people know that we're growing, because that's it. That's what we need to do. We need to continue to grow and spread the message of hard work and dedication. And if you're showing up for two-a-days, that's exactly what you're doing. Some hard work and some dedication. So with that being said, let's get started. And we're getting started right away. We're going to wake you up with full court dribbles, alternating, pushing that ball down the court full speed, because that's what you need in order to put pressure on the defense. So you have to remember that. That's what we're going for, okay? And the key here is we want to work our speed, okay? But also the control of the dribble, okay? We're doing it 10 times. That's what we're doing right away. So it's a lot of dribbling again. So we go from full court to full court. Okay, we're making our layups. You don't have to. You can just go full court to full court if you feel like you're going to be too tired to make the layup. All right. Then what we're looking at is we're going to now do our dribbling on the move right away, since we're already on the move. And we're going to give you a little bit of variation of different dribbles again. Okay, today we're going to go in and out crossover on the move. Then we're going to go alternating through the legs on the move. Then we're going to go through the legs cross on the move. Okay. Then we're going to go crossover through the legs on the move. Okay. Understand that we're doing this for 15 to 20 seconds. And we're also going to focus on, for those who are advanced, keeping our eyes up when we're on the move. For those who aren't advanced, it's okay to keep your eyes down, as we have nobody guarding us and we want to work on ball control. There's nothing wrong with having your head down and trying to figure out your rhythm. Once you figure out your rhythm, it'll be natural, and then you'll be looking up. Okay. Key point here, tired. As you get tired, don't worry about the ball being lost, as we are going to continue to work on that ball control when we're fatigued. After some water, and then get back to it. Okay, I want you to remember we're working one skill here, one skill. And that skill is just going to be dribbling. So now we're going to go wave dribbles. Okay, you've done this before for those who aren't new. And remember, staying low the entire time is important, because when it's time to change direction, whether it's going forward or sideways, you need to stay low. Okay, it's going to be very hard to change direction quickly if you're not low and engaged in your move. So with the wave dribbles, we're going to go 3 times each gap as we work on our wave, go, and our wave, counter, okay? So you'll be doing that on both sides. So you'll get roughly about 12 to 15 reps if you haven't lost the ball. And the key here is going straight at the rim. The angles are important. When you counter, don't go wide. Go straight through the gap, take the angle. So not only are you working on your dribbles here, you're working on your angles, okay? The wave dribble drill is a little overrated in regards to what it can do for you, but it is also very effective in regards to understanding how to stay low and taking the right angle. Then our next segment of dribbling is going to be what we did already the other day, and that's driving to that elbow, crossing over, driving to that elbow, going through the legs, driving to that elbow, going behind the back, okay? We're going to do that 5 times each. And the key here is, how fast can you go? How fast can you stop? How fast can you change direction? Okay? Then something similar that we're going to do is take you to the baseline corner, and we're going to work our zigzag dribble. Now, you may say, this is the same exact thing. What are we doing? But it isn't. It's you going as fast as you can, stopping and changing direction, but still trying to get the ball up the floor. A lot of teams will pressure you, especially in the summer, and you have to be ready for that pressure. And then we sprint after we do the zigzag with the ball in both hands on both sides, because once we get by who we need to be able to push that basketball, especially if we're tired from zigzagging. So it's a key component to understand how to dribble the basketball when being pressured and when being tired. So that's why these drills are going to be very effective for you, and I need you to lock in and focus. All right, basketball U, let's get a little water and let's figure out what we got to do to continue to get better each and every drill. Okay, now that we've done that, we are now ready to get into some more dribbling. Okay. Oh, you thought we were going to do something different? No, we're only working one skill on these 2-a-days. Okay. One skill at a time. Okay. So now with the more dribbling is we're going to go stationary. Okay. We're going to go over those dribbling moves again. Okay. We're going to go cross over through the legs. We're going to go through the legs cross. Okay. Here we want to work it, overwork it, and just do it as quick as we can. It's so very important to have the ability to have quick hands when you're dribbling. So it's not so much about how fast you are all the time, but how fast can you move that basketball? So again, we want to do each of these drills for 30 seconds, or you can do a different set of 3 to 4 times. Okay, we're doing crossover through the legs crossover, through the legs behind the back, in and out crossover, all stationary. So very important in the key factor of being a good ball handler. But my question to you is, how hard are you going to go to get better? And are you going to get frustrated with your mistakes as we lose the basketball trying to go as fast as possible? Make sure you keep your head up, not only physically, but mentally as well, because this is a hard drill. And then our last thing that we're going to do is we're going to go back to the retreat drill where we have 2 cones in front of us, and we're going to work our step in front of that cone as we retreat and in and out, as we retreat crossover with our double cross, and then as we retreat and we're going to go through the legs. Okay, so we're going to cross over and go through the legs, continuing to go on that same side. All right, and that's the dribble that we're going to work today. And that's it. You're going to get back to the 17 area, and you're going to give me 15 countdown instead of 17 countdown today. And basketball U, remember, control, focus while being tired, and everything will be fine. That's all I got for you today, basketball U. Thank you for joining me on this 2-a-day extravaganza as we continue to work harder than everyone else. I'll be back with more today, and I hope you're ready to get it in. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?